This short video tutorial presents the features of the Products tab of the Admin section of Finlens and displays how to use them. This subsection allows administrators to deal with the content of each product. Its first feature is a General tab. If needed, you can choose to hide a product for non-admin users, keeping certain products exclusive to admin users. To personalize your menu bar, you can define an icon for each product. Next, you can fill in the ISIN code, which ensures the product is properly identifiable on the platform. The Followers tab makes communication also easier. With just a few clicks, you can send a grouped email to all users following a specific product, keeping them informed about important updates or market insights. If you need an overview of your audience, you can export all followers and their contact details as a CSV file. Adding new followers is flexible as well. You can manually add individual followers or import them from a formatted CSV file, ensuring a structured and efficient way to manage your investor list. The next tab is the Access Restrictions tab. If you need to control where your product is displayed, you can define geographic restrictions, specifying the countries where the product can or cannot be shown. This ensures compliance with regional regulations and helps you target the right audience. Let's now have a look at the Price tab. Keeping price data up to date is essential. In case you have chosen to update the prices manually, you can add price data for both the product and its benchmark, and even export them directly. You can add date either manually or by importing a formatted CSV file. When you add data from a CSV file, please make sure to follow the formatting instructions described when you click on the button. Each data entry can be deleted if necessary by clicking the red cross next to it. We can finally have a look at the Holding Data tab. The Holdings Data section allows you to import or export holdings data for a product on specific dates, in case you don't have automated holdings data in place. This ensures you always have accurate records of asset allocations over time. When importing data, make sure to strictly follow the formatting instructions to ensure seamless integration with the system. Please keep in mind that you can upload data only for one date at a time. Thank you for watching a short explanatory video regarding the features of the Products tab of the Admin section of Finlens. We trust that you found it helpful and informative. Please note that to access this subsection within the admin area, you must have admin or product manager rights. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.